What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We are in a bathroom today. We got a clogged toilet, so we're gonna try augering it out, see what we find. Let me know down in the comments down below if you guys think we pull anything out. We're gonna be using a rigid auger. This is the K6P, 6-foot auger with drop head. That's hilarious. Poop and paper. Going, just waiting for it to fill up. Well, in the meantime, if you guys want some good gloves, I'm not sponsored, but if you guys check out Watson Gloves, they make great leather gloves, and even the latex or nitrile gloves. And again, not sponsored, but I just like showing respect to companies that make good stuff. So, I'm going to pause this and let it fill up, and I'll turn it right back on. Alright, it just finished filling up, so let's give it one more flush. I like to always hold the handle down just so that you get a proper flush. You want that full tank of water draining that toilet. You find so many times that it will only give it a half flush in these tanks, and I don't like that. I'm not a fan of low flow toilets and stuff like that. Let's get as much water into these toilets as possible to flush everything down. These are old buildings we deal with, and the pipes, they're not meant for it. It was never meant for low flow toilets and stuff like that. They're not retro. They're just throwing these new toilets in these older buildings, and it's not what they should be doing. We're not on well systems. We're on lake water. It comes in, goes to our lines, goes out to a treatment plant, and then goes back to the lake. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but that's the way I've always been known it. And yeah, so I want to thank you guys for watching. And until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.